Welcome back to the How To Man's headquarters, and today I, the How To Man, am going to teach you how to make a Rube Goldberg. Okay, let's get started. The things you are going to need are, number 1, Hot Wheels track. Number 2, paracord. This is an optional step. You do not always need a piece of rope. Number 3, Jenga. Number 4, ping pong ball. You can use a golf ball, but preferably I like ping pong balls. Number 5, popsicle sticks. And number 6, dominoes. Okay, so I know a question you're probably asking. What is a Rube Goldberg? Well, a Rube Goldberg is a ridiculous way of making things happen. See, if I was to just put a chain of dominoes along the table like this, and there was a glass cup at the end of this table full of water, and there was a trash right there, okay? And it took me an hour to set up these dominoes, and then I tapped the end and knocked the glass of water into the trash can. Stupid, right? Well, that is a Rube Goldberg. Something really stupid. Okay, I'm about to show you 2 easy Rube Goldberg tricks. Okay, as you can see, I still have it all laid out, only it's on a much closer up view. Okay, the first one is called the seesaw. And the only things you will need are 1 ping pong ball, 2 Jenga blocks, and 1 piece of track. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to take this Jenga block and leave it on its side. Like so. You'll put this not halfway through. You might want to put it like about like this. Like, look how this side is longer and this side on the other end is shorter. This is because you're going to put this other Jenga block right here. So that this is how you could start a Rube Goldberg, and you would put the Jenga block like the ping pong ball like so, and that such would happen. I have experimented with trying to find a way to make the ping pong ball go on here, and it is almost extremely hard. What you would do is you would do this, and then it would normally hit a domino or Jenga block run and continue with your Rube Goldberg. Okay, time for number 2. What you need is, this is going to be a little bit more complex, a domino, a popsicle stick, Jenga, ping pong, and either a long or a short one of your Hot Wheels tracks. These Hot Wheels tracks are just for demonstration. I got them specifically for making Rube Goldbergs. The long and the short do come in handy because if you run out of one, you can use the other. Or if you have a specific length, they're really come in handy. I'm going to use the long one yet again. Okay, so you're going to set this one like this, like a ramp. And the ping pong ball is going to go like so. But the way you trigger this, you're going to lay your domino like so, ping pong ball up, and this little popsicle stick is going to go right here. Now this takes some finessing. Yet also be very careful because I have built many. And here we go. And there you have it. And normally obviously it would continue. But now for the special surprise. Okay, now we have a special guest coming to help me with my YouTube video. Gavin, get in here. Gavin, this is Gavin, if you did not already hear me say that. Okay, so Gavin is wondering why I am letting him in my YouTube video. Gavin, are you wondering that?
Yeah.
Okay, well, why I'm letting you in that YouTube video, which I'm filming right now, is because earlier you helped me shoot my new banner, which you can see on my channel. Now, you are going to be a part of this video. Are you excited?
Yeah!
Okay, close your eyes. Don't look, whatever you do. Shh. Okay. He doesn't know about this, guys. Okay, so don't breathe a word. Don't say anything. Open.
What is that?
Okay, that, my dear friend, is the part where you get played in the video. You are going to be a Rube Goldberg! Are you excited?
No.
Great, because here's what is going to happen. This is a battering ram, which I have rigged with all this stuff. So, you are going to have this for protection. Kids, do not try this at home because you are going to get hit with the battering ram. You're going to fall over and you're going to be ouch ouch. Great. Okay. Let's get started. Okay, so as you can see, he is ready to do this.
Ready.
And everything is set. Okay. I'm gonna hope I can get into position fast enough. Now, I may warn you that this might not work. Here we go. Whoopsie, just want to realign it. Failure. Try number 2. Failure. Try number 3. This is sad. I'm pretty sure this is try number 5. Yet again. Failure. Try number 6. This is really sad. Okay, since my seesaw wasn't working, we're gonna just try a regular ramp. So close. I'm just gonna give him a little shove. Ay, this is sad. I'm gonna put him right on the brink. Okay, here we go. Try number 8. This is so embarrassing. Try number 9. Yikes. This is sad. Okay, guys. We might have to abandon this whole thing. And give him a shove. How could this possibly not work? Try number... What try is it?
Maybe number 12?
12 it is. We're so close. I'm just gonna throw him. Okay, here we go, throwing him. Okay, we're just tapping it. Okay, this was a failure, but since we do not quit, get that above your face, I'm gonna have the satisfaction of knocking you over. And there you have it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos like this. Not failures like this. This was a major failure. Just only awesome videos.